Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. In today's video, we're talking about how you can make money by being a video producer. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the episode. Today we're talking about how you can make money by being a video producer. Now, what do I mean by video producer? Well, to put it simply, if you wanted, you can work from home and online by being a video production service. Now, instead of me sitting here like I am and pushing the buttons to make everything work, you can do it virtually, or you can also set it up to do it in person. We'll say, for instance, you want to do it virtually. What would happen is you would offer the service for a set fee to be able to do a video live stream production. So we'll say, for instance, I'm looking for a producer. I'm tired of sitting here in front of the camera, having all the gear and everything else, and I just don't want to do it. Or maybe I don't have all of the different gear and I've only got a couple things. I don't want to be focused on all the back end kind of things to make the video or live stream look good. I want to focus solely on you, the viewer. Okay? So that is where a video producer comes in, because now whether you're doing a recorded video like I am or whether you're doing a live stream, it can still be done in the same aspect. For instance, here's what I mean. Welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about being video producers. There would be a cut that would allow the video producer to work their magic of a transition like this. And then I can come back and be like, hey, my name is Andrew, and today we're talking about being video producers. And while I've got you here, head on over to Facebook and join us in the consulting crew. We have an awesome community there of blind and sighted individuals, and you will be able to have the opportunity to chat with me and the community members on these topics here in general conversation. Voila, call to action. And instead of me pushing a button to make the transition work and pull up the overlay, all I'd have to do is say something and that video producer would know, okay, Andrew's going to say this line and then it's a transition. Andrew's going to say this bit and then it's a transition. We need a lower third here. We need a transition scene here. We need an intro here. We need an outro here. And that is what a video producer does. Is whether you're doing a live stream or whether you're doing a recorded video, they're the ones that run the show in the background. So whoever is creating the content can focus solely on what they're talking about and doing to the camera, rather than going like I am currently, doing my line, hitting a button, waiting for the intro, hitting a button, saying my line, and then going into the topic at hand, and then finishing with another transition into the outro. If you're a video producer, you can set it up to do everything through Zoom or through Skype or whatever platform you want to, in providing that that customer has those programs. You can literally set it up to where if you're in a Zoom meeting, it automatically records. And then if you've got OBS or vMix or Ecamm or whatever video software or live streaming software you have, you could pull your video sources into that and then use the overlays that you need or whatever else you're going to use, whether it's a lower third or an intro video, outro video, a small promotional ad for yourself, or whatever it may be for your show. And you can run this for recorded videos as well as live streams. Like currently, every time you see that transition, it is going from OBS into STREAMYARD because I am recording using my STREAMYARD account. And then I will download it from STREAMYARD, go in and do the necessary editing. Now, if you're doing video recordings, perfect way to do it. Now, yeah, I can record straight into OBS, but there's a lot more that goes into recording on OBS. There's more resources on the computer getting used and so forth. It does also cut down my quality to go from OBS to STREAMYARD, but I'm not worried about having the 1080p HD for these videos on YouTube because it doesn't make that much of a difference in quality in the long run. The production of the video is higher quality itself because of the way I'm doing it. If I did this in OBS, the file sizes would be much larger and it would take a lot longer to process. Whereas recording it this way, it goes through OBS as a virtual camera into STREAMYARD, takes only a couple buttons to get started recording, and it literally takes a minute, 2 minutes at the most to title everything and then download it once I'm done. It makes it real simple, depending on how long the video is, depends on how long it's going to take to start the download and the download. On average, it takes about anywhere between 30 seconds and a minute, 2 minutes, depending on the video, to start downloading. Once it starts downloading, it's done lickety split. I can go in, do any editing I need to, and then get it uploaded. And if you're interested in offering video production services like this, you can do it on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Rev, Upwork, and so on. You can also list it on your LinkedIn account, your social medias, as well as on Craigslist, Help Wanted, and Gigs. You can also, if you wanted to, could put it into a local newspaper or community group for your area and offer the services there as well. And then, as I said, you're the one that sets your rates, and then you can do it based on a one-time recording or live stream. You can do a contract situation where it is a recurring instance of you taking care of somebody's video recording or live streams. And this is just one of many ways that you can be able to make money from home and online. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And who knows, maybe your question will become the topic of a future video. If you'd like more information on this or any of the other topics I've covered here on the channel, you can head over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog and be able to find articles there. Or you can even purchase a copy of my book, Income Booster 100 Plus Businesses You Could Start From Home and Ditch the 9 to 5. It's available in standard print as well as large print, and it is literally packed with tons of helpful info, tips, tricks, and things to consider, and it has has something for everyone. Doesn't matter your age or your circumstances, there is multiple ways in there for you to be able to start making money from home today. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening depending on where you are, and we'll catch you in the next episode.